Today we're making authentic Ghanaian tuo zaafi, aka TZ from scratch, the easiest method and it turned out so delicious. I hope you'll try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Let's get started. To my saucepan I added in goat meat, tripe and wele. You can use any protein of your choice. I'll blend onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper and then add it to it. But first I went in for good taste meat seasoning, 1 shrimp cube and salt. I then added in the blended onion mix and then stirred till well combined. I let this cook for at least 10 minutes for me to check if the salt was okay, if everything was on point before going in with just a little bit of water. As you can tell from the video, the meat itself has released some liquid from it, so do not add in much water, just a little bit of water to help cook. So I covered it and then let it cook for about 30 minutes or until it. And now let's move on with the stew. To my saucepan I added in palm oil, chopped onion, momoni, fermented salted fish, and then stir this. I let this steam for at least 3 minutes before going in with the chili powder, garlic powder, tomato puree, and the stock from the meat. So I stirred it and then I let this cook for about 15 minutes. Check from time to time and give it a quick stir. You do not want the bottom to get burnt. I added in dawa as well. Please don't forget to add in your dawa. You take it to the next level. It makes it more delicious. So once it was halfway cooked, I added in dry shrimp powder, dry herring powder, all-purpose seasoning, and vegetable seasoning. Good taste vegetable seasoning. You need to try this amazing product. Once I stirred till well combined, I added in the meat as well. So you can fry the meat if you want to, but I prefer making it like this. Is the easiest way and it turned out so delicious. So I stirred it and then I let it cook for about 10 minutes more and it was ready. So this is in between stew and soup. You do not want it that thick. The stew shouldn't be very thick. It should be something light, something more or less like this, and it was delicious. When I say something is delicious, trust me, this turned out delicious. So once it's ready, keep it aside and then let's move to the ayoyo soup. So I wasn't lucky when I went to the African market. They were not having the jute leaf. I use spinach and okra. This is totally optional. If you can find it, that's fine. If you can find it at where you live, that's fine. So I added my spinach to the food processor and I paused it for some seconds and it was ready. So to the okra, I divided it into two and then take out the seeds, but not all. Some I took out the seeds. You do not want it that white, so try to take out the seeds from some and then leave the rest. So add it to your blender when you are done. Add in enough water, not that much water, just enough water to blend it, to help blend. In my saucepan, I added in the ayoyo, I added in dry fish powder, dry shrimp powder, and then I brought that to a boil. Once it started boiling, I added in my okra and then the spinach. So at this point, if you're not using your okra, you can use your ayoyo. You can add in your ayoyo and you're good to go. So stir it. You do not want to overcook it. I added in just a pinch of baking soda as well and then stir to well combined. So this is what you're looking for. Don't overcook the okra. Now let's move to the zero. This is very easy. So make your porridge 1 cup. I use 2 cups of corn porridge, corn powder, and then 2 cups of cassava powder. So 2:2. You can, like, depending on how you want it. So make the porridge first and keep some aside. Whilst it comes together, it makes liquid like this, solid like this. Add in the porridge that you took out bit by bit until it is ready. So as you can tell from the video, mine was ready and trust me, I can't resist. Wow, you need to try this amazing recipe, especially if you are living in abroad and you can't find the jute leaf, the ayoyo leaf. That's the different way that you do it and it will come out great. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. See you till then, bye.